pastels. And then the last kind I wanted to show you are pastel pencils. And they have become, I'm just going to say, a new love of mine. I have just recently gotten into these. So what it is it's like a pastel, a soft pastel, but it's just in a pencil form. So you can sharpen it and you can get a nice little point out of it. And I like that a lot. I took this and I traced it onto here with a marker, a really thin marker, like a micron or something like that. So now this is what I would call a little coloring book idea. And let me get ready here for it, and I shall show you. These are Conte, C-O-N-T-E. These are also from Paris, France. Paris, France. I feel so exotic saying that, right? Yes. All right, so I'm going to use, as I color, I'm going to use white gesso. I'm going to put a little bit of white gesso out here on my page. And I'm going to put a little bit of clear gesso out here on my page. So, all right, so what I would do with this is I would just start to color like I'm coloring in a coloring book. And I am going to use a couple different colors here. And you are creating, I'm going to bring this up, you are creating a little bit of powder, but not crazy powder. So here we are. I got part of this colored in. I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to poof the stuff away. And I'm going to get a very tiny brush. For this, I like a brush, you know, a little angle brush like this. This is a 3/8 inch angle brush. This is from Silver, the brush company that I work with. And this is a Monza, which these are really nice brushes for mixed media people because, I don't know if you can see, but there is some, I don't know, there's like a, it's got a nice bounce back for mixed media applications, you know? So anyway, here's what I would do. Here's my white gesso. So let's say you want to paint over this with white gesso. You could blend it out. So what you're doing is you're blending it and you're fixing it at exactly the same time. And if you're doing the white, you're lightening it. You're lightening it, blending, and fixing at the same time, though. So then here's a clear. So this, it blended and lightened. Now this is the clear gesso over here. And it's going to blend and just fix. You know what? My pen's bleeding out and I'm getting some black there. Let's try another color down here. Let's turn this upside down and try a bigger part here and see if we can get some prettier blending. Okay, so there's some yellow and some orange. Let's just do yellow and orange. All right, so I'm going to do this one with the white and kind of blend it out. And remember, blending and fixing at the same time. It's like you gotta love it, right? So, and see, it lightens it with the white. Okay, so then I'm gonna try this one over here, and I'll do this one with the clear. Now this is the clear gesso. See how it just goes on there? And it'll just let it sit where it's sitting if you are delicate with it. See what I'm saying? So that's the difference, the clear gesso, the white gesso. And you could certainly vary it up too, which would be an interesting thing to do.